Hello friends, only one thing is remaining. First of all, let's hide this template layer. To take a full look at how it is looking. And now we need to get rid of this part, right? So what we can do is, you need to find the face part. I think this is the one. No, we need to find the hair part. Yup, this is the one, right? Oh my god, see? He is really very cool, right? So now, first of all, let's unlock all of these. And now, well, this template is hidden now. Now, let's draw a rectangle. And make sure smart guides are checked. See, it's keyboard shortcut Control U. Let's go to intersect. And let's draw a rectangle just like this. Okay. Now select this path and this rectangle by holding the shift key. Click on divide, and now using the direct selection tool, select this red part, delete it, and also this part, delete it. Well, when I'm looking at it, I'm thinking to change its hair. See, template doesn't work all the time. Even sometimes you also need to do some changes to make it look really nice. Yeah. Yeah. Now I have no objection. So after doing some adjustments, I think it is looking a lot better than our previous one, right? Okay guys, so that's it. This is our cartoon face that we have achieved finally. And all we have done is we have taken a template. Even you can try with our cartoon face, which we have drawn using the brush tool. Yes, I was about to do this project on that file only, but I have left it for you just because you will try and practice, and just for your practice actually, and hence I did another face using the brush tool, and then I made a template out of it, and then I have just drawn this thing using the pen tool, and that I have drawn in front of you only. Okay, so that's it guys. Here I am concluding this project finally, and I hope that you are liking this course, and many interesting projects are going to come now. But I do feel that now you are really feeling confident about the pen tool and also the brush tool. Brush tool is really very fancy, right? And by now you already know why. Okay, so that's it guys. Here I'm concluding this lecture, also this project. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.